I hybrid Chevinia lungdo maunai, ibala job ya kasurkun old season 1 bala penyat da Don Bosco Media Network, but ibala yora ya kasong pisa ka shilak tengka harangkat bat ka khusnam, ila Rung ya ka final haka jinga koprwai bala penyat da ka Vocal Star UK. Ka final kan long haka arpu hundreu tarik August 2000 arpulai. Itei i hybrid ibadang khatway snam karta, ila long i brand ambassador jang ka Don Bosco Media Network. Badai ke Don Bosco Media Network kabala kedaulanti bad yarap i ban shimbenta ha ka competition bad andala dep shimbenta ha artriki round menta ila Rung shaka final. Kumban pentip shikinong pet ka Don Bosco Media Network kani ka network kan penyat biang ka surkun old season 2 bad ki form la ban yo no office ka DB Media Network nadu ubenai Oktober 2000 arpulai bad ka competition kan sedang ha ka tayo baningkong jung Desember 2000 arpulai. Ya ka jingte bakambanya pila ban net mi sha studio jong ka Don Bosco Media Network.
You're broken down and tired of a living life on a merry-go-round, and you can't find the fighter, but I see it in you, so we're gonna walk it out and move mountains. We're gonna walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like today. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid to rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I'll out the waves. I'll rise up, inspire the egg. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. For you, for you, for you, for you. With the silence isn't quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe, and I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet and move mountains, bring it to its feet and move mountains. Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. Yeah. I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure that it would only get better. You with the world, mama. People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama, only track of the things that will bring you trauma. Overseas, yeah, we try to stop terrorism, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, Bloods and the Crips and the KKK. They only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate. To discriminate only generates hate, but when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Man, is this what you demonstrate? And make exactly how anger was and operate. Man, you gotta have love that is set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate, let your soul gravitate to love, yeah. Where